Have you ever read a captivating novel, one that took you to worlds unknown, or made you experience emotions that you never knew existed? Now, imagine that this novel was not penned by a human hand, but crafted by an artificial intelligence. It sounds unimaginable, right? But what if it wasn't? What if AI could write better novels than humans? What would that mean for the world of literature and the authors whose works we cherish? It sounds like science fiction, but it's a future that may not be too far away. Artificial intelligence is advancing at an astonishing pace. We already have AI composing music, creating art, and even writing news articles. So it's not a far-fetched scenario to consider that AI might one day pen the next great American novel. But before we dive into the implications, let's take a look at how far AI has come in the world of writing. Modern AI algorithms like GPT-4 from OpenAI are capable of generating human-like text that is indistinguishable from a text written by a human. These language models are trained on vast amounts of text data and can generate full sentences, paragraphs, and even whole stories. They can mimic the style of famous authors, write poems, and draft business reports. But as impressive as they are, they're still far from perfect. AI currently lacks the ability to fully understand context and emotional depth, the nuances of human experiences that give literature its essence. It can mimic human writing, but it doesn't truly understand what it's writing. So if you're a fan of complex character development and plots with deep thematic undertones, AI-authored books may not be for you, at least not yet. But let's indulge in our what-if scenario. What if someday AI manages to overcome these hurdles? What if AI could write a novel so enthralling that it outshines even the best human-written literature? Well, the implications could be profound and far-reaching. The first and most immediate impact would be on the publishing industry. Currently, publishers act as gatekeepers, deciding which books make it to the market. But with AI, the floodgates could open. Anyone with access to an advanced AI could generate a novel, increasing the number of books exponentially. Think of it like the effect of social media on news and journalism. Just as everyone with a smartphone became a potential reporter, everyone with access to an AI could become a potential author. The market could be flooded with AI-written books, creating an oversaturation of content. While this might mean more choices for readers, it could also lead to an overwhelming number of books, making it harder for readers to sift through and find quality content. It could even lead to a new type of plagiarism, with people using AI to mimic the styles of successful authors. For authors, it would be a mixed bag. On one hand, it could democratize the feel of novel writing. No longer would you need to be a skilled writer to tell a story. With the right AI, you could tell whatever story you want, however you want. This could open up opportunities for people who have great ideas for stories, but lack the writing skills to convey them. But on the flip side, AI could also diminish the value of human creativity. If an AI can churn out novels faster and potentially better than a human, what value does a human author bring? Could we see a world where human authors are pushed out, their works replaced by the creations of artificial intelligence? There are ethical considerations too. If an AI writes a novel, who owns the copyright? Is it the developer of the AI, the person who ran the program, or does the AI itself own the rights to its creations? These are complex legal and ethical questions that we might have to confront sooner rather than later. And what about the readers? How would we feel knowing that the book we're so engrossed in was not written by a human, but by an algorithm? Would we feel the same emotional connection to the characters and the plot? Would we still value the creativity and imagination behind the story if we knew it was generated by a machine? There's also a chance that AI-authored novels could lead to homogenization in literature. AI learns from existing data, and if it's trained on a certain type of novel, it's likely to reproduce similar works. This could stifle innovation and diversity in literature, leading to a lot of similar-sounding books. On the brighter side, AI could potentially bring about a revolution in personalized novels. Imagine a book written specifically for you, tailored to your tastes, and altered based on your reactions. a horror novel that knows your deepest fears, a romance novel that understands your concept of love, a fantasy novel that caters to your wildest imaginations. That's a possibility with AI. In conclusion, if AI could write better novels than humans, it would undoubtedly change the landscape of literature. It could bring about both exciting possibilities and daunting challenges. While the prospect is intriguing, it's also a reminder of the unique value of human creativity and the irreplaceable warmth of human touch in storytelling. So the next time you pick up a novel, take a moment to appreciate the human mind behind it, the imagination, the emotions, and the experiences that went into crafting the world within its pages. And as you delve into the world of words, remember that for now, the beauty of literature lies in its human touch. We hope you enjoyed pondering this what-if scenario with us. If you find these kinds of questions intriguing, consider subscribing to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video with your friends and let us know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about AI-written novels? Would you read a book written by an AI? Until our next exploration into the world of what-ifs, keep wondering, keep imagining. Stay curious, folks.